Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today we'll go through English Murli, 2nd January 2021. Baba is telling sweet children to have regard for the fathers. Srimad means never to miss a Murli, to obey all the instructions. Questions. If you children are asked if you are happy and content, what should you reply with intoxication? Now tell them I was concerned to find the one who lives beyond in the Brahma element. Now that I have found him, what else would I want? I have attained what I wanted. You children of God are not concerned about anything else. The Father has made you belongs to him and is placing crown on your head. So what do you have to be concerned about? Essence for dharana, number 1 point. In order to remain constantly happy and content, stay in remembrance of the Father. Put the crown of the kingdom on yourself by studying. Serve Bharat to make it into heaven by following Srimad. Always have regard for Srimad. Today blessing. May you be a soul who does subtle service and sees the practical proof of the power of the mind by having a connection and relationship with Bhakta. Explanation. Just as you can see the practical proof of the power of the mind and the power of action, in the same way, in order to see the practical proof of the most powerful and most powerful of silence, let there constantly be a clear connection and relationship with Bhakta. This is called the power of yoga. When we are having a very clear, strong and constantly connection relationship with Bhakta, this is really the power of yoga. Soul with such power of yoga can give souls sitting far away the physical experience of being personally in front of them. They can invoke souls and transform them. This is subtle service, and for this increase the power of concentration. Due to, if you want to doing the subtle service, then you have to increase the power of concentration. Except the power of concentration, you cannot do that subtle service. Today's slogan, only those who use all their treasures in a worthwhile way are great donor. Only those who use all their treasures in a worthwhile way are great donor. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.